24/7 Teachers Training, our lesson-by-lesson tutorial for homogeneous teaching. We are an EdTech textbook publishers.
Number 16. Respected teacher, Assalamu Alaikum. A warm welcome from Snowman Publishers. Our books are based on CPA method, concrete, pictorial and abstract. And students will learn about mathematical concepts by using their cognitive skills. Say Assalamu Alaikum and good morning to the children. Encourage them to greet you back. Children from the age of 2 to 5 years start thinking creatively and critically, counting objects, comparing sizes, exploring patterns and shapes, analyzing and solving problems. Learning should be holistic, enjoyable and engaging so that the students put in their best to learn. Let us start with the introduction to number 16. Students should be able to read, write and represent number 16. Count number 16. Generate a set equal to number 16. Write number 16. Tell the children that they will be counting and writing number 16. Get them ready for the activity. Start the lesson by singing the following number song with children. Make a 1 and then a 6. Make a 1 and then a 6. Writing 16 is an easy trick. Writing 16 is an easy trick. Write number 16 on the writing board. Tell them that this is number 16. Introduce the number value with the help of book. Show picture, count and say 16 burgers. 16 burgers. 16 burgers. 16 burgers. Repeat at least 3 times. Ask children to repeat after you. Involve the class in this process. Write number 16. Write number 16 on the board and give instructions. Write 1 and 6 to make 16. Ask them to open their textbook, count, color, and match objects with number 16. Ask them to open their textbook and trace number 16 with the help of dots. Write some jumbled numbers on the writing board and ask children to recognize 16. Reinforcement worksheet of number 16 can be downloaded from the following website: www.snowmanpublishers.com.